Okay, good morning, Suhail.
Good morning.
How are you doing? You right?
Yeah, I'm fine. Thank you.
Okay, Suhail, tell me what you want to work on today.
Pedestrian crossing. You might remember we decided on that last time.
Okay, and what about the pedestrian crossing?
I don't feel comfortable doing them. I didn't do them very well last time.
So where you scale yourself in pedestrian crossing? If I can scale from 1 to 10, 1 is good, 10 is not good.
I would close. I think it will be more like 4.
Okay, 4. And where you want to see your end of the session then? If you scale yourself, 1 is not good, 10 is very good.
I would like to be around 7.
7, okay. Oh, that's good number to work on. And what sort of help you need from my side to achieve that goal? You want me to prompt you, talk you through, or you want to do by yourself?
I'd like you to prompt me. Just watch me see how I do and then prompt me if you can.
Oh, okay.
If I miss
we can
anything,
do that one. Yes, that's fine.
Thank you.
And in terms of responsibility, tell me as a driver, what is your responsibility today?
My responsibility is to keep myself safe, all my passengers safe, and all the other road users around me safe.
Okay, that's good. And you know, this is a coaching session, and I'll be sharing the responsibility with you today. In case you're not responding to the situation, anything which coming towards us, or any dangerous incidents, I'm gonna intervene verbal first, and if there is no time, I'm gonna use the control.
Okay.
Yeah, it's okay because this car is fitted with the dual control.
Yeah.
Yeah, and if I use it, we're gonna pull up somewhere safely, and we're gonna discuss that why I use them and how to avoid in the future.
Okay.
Yeah, is okay with you?
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay, that's fine. Now, if anything else need to be addressed other than pedestrian crossing, are you okay to change the lesson plan?
By that you mean if I do anything that is not correct while driving, which is not related to pedestrian crossing?
Yes, yeah.
Yeah, definitely.
It's okay.
Yeah,
Okay,
thank you.
that's fine. Yeah. But if we have to change it, we're gonna pull up and discuss, and then we can work on that one.
Okay. No, I like that. I like that. Thank you.
No problem. That's fine. Fine. So, what's the weather like today?
Yeah, it's raining at the moment. It's overcast. It's raining.
And do you know any other control you needed while driving today?
Yes, I've got my back wiper on, and I think I can put the demister on as well.
Fine if you need it. No problem.
I've got the front demister on. I'm just going to put my front wiper on now. I'll just put it. Yeah, I think that should be fine. The speed.
Okay, that's fine then. Good. And whenever ready, I'd like you to move off, please.
Okay.